Everything is on your schedule.
It is, exactly.
Yeah, it's like whatever you want to do, everybody else can just,
here, this is what you do.
good luck.
You take this.
We're making matzah
You
bread.
take this matzah, you take all of it, you crunch it up in a bowl. Okay, that's where we're at right now. Let's see.
Oh, I thought this was preheating. It's not preheating anymore?
No, we're not doing that.
Okay, we don't know what we're doing.
We
Good
know
luck.
what we're doing.
Good luck, everybody. You just got to follow along.
You got to follow.
Good luck following Vic. Good luck with that.
All right.
Just good luck. We hope you make it okay.
All right.
Yeah.
If you want to eat it, you got to.
It's a two-way street, baby.
David, do you want to eat this? If you want me to cook this nicely, I need a little piece.
We are recording. This is for the world to see what's happening here.
All right, so we have about 5 eggs. Okay. So far we have a box of matzah. Put it in the bowl. Crush.
Can we see the front of the box of matzah so we can see that it's unsalted matzah?
For those with sodium.
You don't have to buy that brand, but I will be putting them in the description so that they'll maybe send us free boxes.
All right, so then,
so you got eggs, and you're crushing up everything, more eggs.
Probably 6.
Maybe 6 eggs to a gallon bowl.
Yeah.
And a box of matzah. So you got extra matzahs. And what are we using here? Just some random milk powder.
And if you're lactose intolerant, you can use oat milk, almond milk, cashew milk. All right, just a bit of milk, not too much. Just a little.
Adding the milk. So, I don't know, how much milk are you adding?
Probably a tablespoon at this point.
Just a little?
Yeah. Not too mushy, because then it's not going to taste right. But just to kind of dissolve.
And we always wash our hands before we attempt things like this.
Okay. All right, so that's the basic ingredient. All right, so now we put this on. Put it at about 6. And then what we're going to do is...
Any pan works.
Yeah, any frying pan.
Is that Irish butter?
Yeah, you can use any butter, but I like this.
I don't know why I like
good.
Irish butter too. I figure it's
Very nice and creamy.
You know.
Whole.
that way. If I say I wish I had butter, then there it is.
Okay.
It's always something with me. It gets better after another cup of coffee. Should we promote coffee brands as well? No. If you're on the cheap, I recommend Bustelo. It's always good. Cuban coffee. Now we're back here again.
Okay.
That's for good luck. Putting it in the pan.
So 6 eggs, a box of crunched up matzah.
Oh, sugar too? Wow, that's good. Brown sugar. Putting the brown sugar on randomly. You don't need to put lugubrious amounts, which is a cool word. Lugubrious.
This is a cool word.
Lugubrious means deeply depressed and sad.
Oh!
No, lugubrious is like a large amount of things. A lugubrious is a very...
Absolutely not.
Is a generous...
That is a completely wrong... that's a malapropism.
A malapropism? That sounds like a prescription drug.
Lugubrious means very depressed and sad.
All right, well,
Okay, so large amounts
it helps
of
to be
beef.
very depressed and sad while making this wonderful Jewish gist for various Holocaustal reasons. Okay, I said it. It's the only thing that would work in a lugubrious setting. Come on,
so
you gotta
the-
look up lugubrious. Would you look that up?
Looking or sounding sad and dismal.
Oh my God, I've been using it wrong all these years.
Yes, you have it.
That is depressing. No wonder.
All right. So
You
we
want to
turn
put a
it down
lugubrious
about that.
amount on there. What does he mean by that? Sad and depressing. We don't want him around anymore. Unfriend him.
So it's kind of like, okay, so now we're going to put the heat a little bit on low because we don't want to burn it. So
Yeah,
we
you don't
have
want to
a-
burn this.
So you have a little, and I won't.
Lugubrious
Okay.
the glorious. Oh, that was an accent. Just
Do
disregard
you
that.
like matzah?
I don't know. I never had it.
All right, do you want to try it?
I think you need to turn this or move
Yeah.
it.
I
It's
will try.
Yeah,
How
I
do you
do
eat it?
need
Like
to
ketchup
It's-
or maple syrup?
No,
or...
it's
You can
you
add
just
your.
eat it.
it's almost done.
Yeah, let me move
Because
it.
it's
So maple syrup? It's not a savory?
You can. We usually do cinnamon, and that's it. That's finished matzo bride.
Yeah, it's finished.
All right, so that's matzo bride. Thank you for watching, and happy holidays.